crafted for United States home decor lovers seeking calm in the chaos. This is the metal Lotus tabletop water fountain, a delicate blend of flowing water, gentle light, and timeless elegance, right on your table. From the very first drop, the sound of water cascading over the metal lotus petals creates a space that feels more peaceful, more thoughtful, more alive. Its warm yellow LED light reflects off the water, casting a golden glow across your room, day or night. Place it in your living room, office corner, meditation space, or bedroom side table, and it will instantly soften the energy around you. But this isn't just about beauty. It's effortless to set up. Just fill it with water, plug it in, and breathe. Its compact design fits seamlessly into even the smallest apartments or busy home workspaces without taking over your space. Whether you're sipping tea, journaling, meditating, or just getting through a long workday, this fountain acts like a pause button for your mind. Let it become a centerpiece of peace in your United States home. It also makes the perfect gift for birthdays, housewarmings, or just because someone needs a little calm. Flow, glow, let go. Bring home the metal Lotus circulating fountain and let serenity bloom. Made for United States home decor lovers who crave peace, beauty, and a little smart comfort. Introducing the T-Sin USB-powered tabletop fountain. A compact marvel that combines gentle water flow, soft lighting, and built-in humidification for your bedroom, office, or reading nook. In today's fast-paced world, we all need small moments to reset. This modern fountain creates a constant stream of flowing water, naturally calming your mind and refreshing your air at the same time.
This is probably the prettiest decor I have in my entire apartment. I have it right by my front door. It is so gorgeous. It is so calming. It's super simple to operate. You simply press that button to turn the light on and off. And if there's water in it, the water will flow down, trickle down from the top flower down to the bottom. And then it'll go through that hole right there, which I've covered up with tape because I don't use water in mine. And then it'll get recycled back to the top, kind of an endless cycle of water. It is so gorgeous. I love this so much. And because I don't use water, I put a little flower in the top hole where the water would be coming out just because I think it's cute. But I absolutely love this and I definitely recommend it. I get so many compliments on it from my guests. Perfect.